Good morning. It's coffee time. That's outstanding. I think mid to high 50s last night. Is that what you think, Barry?
Yeah, 55 is what they said, but we're up here.
It was just a gorgeous, gorgeous night. Got to watch the stars. Oh, get some coffee, have a little breakfast, maybe another coffee. I'm gonna leave camp set up here, take the bikes on a little loop around the gorge and around the tap and then head back. But for now, we're gonna relax and kick back, have some coffee, and we're gonna see you on the bikes for day 2 of one hell of an adventure, man. All right, we're all packed up. Camp, breakfast was amazing. It's time for some adventure, guys. Let's hit the dirt and see what we can find for today. We're gonna head out, man. It's time to ride. Back on gravel, man. Today feels about 40 degrees cooler. I know it's not, but damn, the mountain air is just much nicer. A restaurant here, and it looks like we are straight ahead. Like that, back on tarmac. In the Linville area, famous Luis's Rock House, it's a staple, it's a must. Don't mind the squeak of the boots. I'm telling you, if you're in the area, stop in and see Luis. It's a staple here. You smell that a little bit, Barry? What's that? Smoke? Wildfire?
Yeah, actually I do.
That's crazy. Didn't affect us at all yesterday, but the winds have changed. But I can smell a little bit of the Canadian wildfire now. We'll see how it affects our day, but we're gonna ride. Pick it up at all. But I'm smelling a little bit of wildfire smoke. Really not very hazy, but I can smell it. All right, guys, we're gonna take a momentary timeout. Maybe a gear malfunction there. Barry might be dropping a few things on the trail, kind of like my water bottle yesterday. We'll be right back with you. Smart key for his BMW bike. Dropped it, so he can't start the bike. I've been driving all around, finally found it in a ditch. Happy to say that. Let's go tell Barry the good news. What an event. Well, that could have ended much differently. He thought he felt something hit his leg, which ended up being his earbuds falling. But slowly backtrack, found it probably within 20 minutes. That ain't bad at all. Let's go report the news. Go make your day. Found it in a ditch.
Found it in a ditch?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do a little maneuver here, see if we can help Barry out. I'm gonna pull in the sight and I'll be right there. Definitely an interesting start to our day.
No, I'm not going to hill, so I'm having to lift it.
Oh, lift uphill. You do your thing, and I'm going to do that handlebar grab as well.
I need to grab
Ready?
You got the kickstand on the other side?
Yeah, you want to pop it over? You're good? You're in gear? Okay, it's about a 4-inch, so you can keep coming. It's engaging now. Well, riding these adventure bikes, man, that's going to happen. Dropping the bike is just part of a normal day if you're getting too crazy. So, all right, I'm going to turn this thing around, and I think we're finally going to hit the trail. Let's get after it. Now, I'll say this is one of my favorite views out here. Traditionally, you see a lot more of the gorge. You see the backside of this ridge and a ridge to the left, and then it goes down. But with the smoke kind of catching straight ahead, if you will, you usually have about 3 more ridge lines that you can see. It's beautiful right now, but it is just striking if not. Guys, the view was beautiful, smoky but beautiful. Let's go make some miles. This has been a very slow start to a what was going to be just a short day, but let's get after it. Back down to tarmac, right around this corner. That is one hell of a fun ride. Good twisties going. I like that. Yep, that was fun. Oh, what a ride. This is a great little road. I gotta figure out what this is. Bye-bye, puppies. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, pups. Sweet puppies protecting their land pretty good. This is what I call an enjoyable road. The bike is barely up straight. I think this is where the Tad is connecting us. Going up the mountainside, hit the other, and I don't know what this train's gonna look like, how challenging it is. We're gonna learn together. This will be a riot. This video could go one of probably like 2 or 3 ways right now. Stay tuned and you'll find out. Might stop on this berry. Trout fishermen everywhere. Something I always want to try. Good governor. Hey, this is just absolutely gorgeous. And oh yeah, don't want to fall down there. Holy smokes. We are roughly halfway through our amazing little dirt section, a collection of gravel roads, and it has been a riot. We got steep drop-offs, S-curves up, switchbacks down, speaking of which, right there. Been beside 2 different rivers, I believe, on opposite sides. This has just been breathtaking. All good things got to come to an end, but man, I could do this all day long. Look at that valley. This has been about the perfect second overnighter out with Draven here. My Hemi. I'm sure somebody in the comments can possibly give me some pointers, maybe picking better lines. But we are out having fun and growing those skills. And the mountains just talk to me, man. There are times on this channel already, but before getting this bike, I was a backpacker and just love the mountains. It's my peaceful, happy place. That is awesome. Oh, what a day. What a ride. But we're gonna keep on keeping on. Get through the mountain pass, see what's above, what's below, and everywhere underneath. Let's ride. Love this type of stuff on the parkway, man. Tunnels, the old CC type bridges, everything. Absolutely stunning. You can't get enough of a good thing. Well, our ride is done. Famous Lisa's Rock House, here we come. That was fun. I am definitely dirty, that's for sure. And the ride for today is over. At camp, time for camp shoes. Watch Moto or Offroad Adventure biking. As soon as you get to camp, man, changing those camp shoes. I paid extra, so mine would squeak a lot. Did you pick that up? That's an option. I love them. The Pt.2 Alpine Star, great boot, very protective. I'm just hoping that squeak goes away. Oh. It is definitely cooler than it was yesterday, probably by 5, maybe even 10 degrees. But Barry says 1 million. I'm gonna fact check that and I'll be back in the notes with you. By the time sun kind of chills in a couple more hours, man, it really about, I think 7 o'clock, really got nice and chilly last night. I'm gonna see what this looks like. All right. I thought that ride up 105 would get this thing all crazy. It did pretty well. Yep, that's good. Nice and cold too. All in all, I think we were a shade under 100 miles today. Just a great track. I had a lot of fun. We got possible storm coming in tomorrow. Initially showed raining overnight. Hopefully that has rotated out. I'm gonna see if I get service. This campsite is questionable. If you hit the right spot around here, you can get a little service. I'm talking about 60-mile-an-hour winds, gusts, hail, and some rain. And I'm not all about that life. So hopefully it kept pushing. It looks like it was going to the afternoon and we'll be out late morning. And we're driving south. I think it's gonna come across to us. So in a perfect world, the end of this video won't be me getting hailed on the cycle, but I've been already hailed on a hiking trail many times, so I might just add it to the list. But I'm gonna see if we can get service. It doesn't look like I have it now. Get updated, cool down with this cold bang, and we'll catch up with you guys. Alright. So we might have some serious weather coming in, and I don't have service. So I'm going to run down just a little bit to where the service is, take a look at the weather, see what we're dealing with. We knew there was going to be possibility of rain, but it looks like maybe severe thunderstorm with some hail. And we are up on a ridge, so let's do the right thing and see what we can find. Maybe at this little viewing point, might get some service. And it looks like I am. I'm already getting some beeps. Linville Falls. All right. Nothing too crazy at all tomorrow. Just a little bit of rain there. 30% chance, pretty light. Tomorrow, we get up early, we should be fine. While we're here, might take a look, right? Damn, it is definitely foggy. As much, I shouldn't say foggy, smoky. Can't smell it. I've been around a bad wildfire before, 2020 out in Oregon. Yeah. Does not. I hope this picks up on camera because that's really smoky. Can't smell anything. All right. Let's go report the news back. Whoa. Perfect. Nailed it. Come on, go downhill. See how good I am? This is how good I've gotten, guys. I don't even need the bike. It doesn't look too bad.
It doesn't?
I'll show you some stuff there. I think I'm on my 5th water, hitting it hard after a hot day on trail. We're gonna throw the drone up and see if we can get a little sunset. It looks like it's the witching hour out there. It has been hell of a nice day, a lot of time to relax afterwards. Just been chilling, kind of enjoying ourselves. A lot of rain tomorrow morning, so we might do a little pre-packing. Gonna see if we get some drone, maybe some sun setting. Ha ha ha. He says with a question, sun setting. And we're gonna send it up, it sounds like. Check in with you a little later. Good evening, guys. Oof, what a day, what an adventure. It's a little after 11. It is late. It is time to hit the sack. Hopefully in the morning we'll have an easy pack up, get some coffee, hit the road in a dry weather. It does look like it's about 30 or 40% chance of rain tomorrow, pretty much all day long, so we'll tackle that tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to hit the sack, yep, and we'll see you over coffee, hopefully. Good morning. Got about 5:30, got a few things packed. If my watch wants to work, it's about 6:30 right now. Relaxing over some coffee, because coffee first, life second, and then we'll figure it out. We're gonna start packing down. We had a little bit of rain. I'm expecting about 5:30 this morning. Right came through as I was waking up. It's about all we've got so far, but I expect rain during pack up and ride home. But let's enjoy some coffee, wake up, and see if we can get on the road before some rain. So we'll talk to you soon. I don't think we're gonna outrun the rain on this one. Hopefully this is just a light sprinkle here, but start coming down a little bit. Let's see how much we can get packed away before it kicks in. We are about packed up. Just a few more things to go. It has rained on us a couple times, just light sprinkles. So hoping we make it out of here without too heavy a rain for the ride home. It's a great night, slept fantastic. But we're gonna go ahead and get out of here before the rain hits. I mean, there's no shelter. We don't really have a dive out point. So a little over 5 hours, right at 5 hours for the ride home. But the farther south we're gonna make, the more we're gonna clear the rain. So we can get finished up, get on the road, and hopefully have a nice dry ride home. Guys, I appreciate you watching. It really means a lot to me. Love getting out and having these little adventures. Camping's always kind of been special to me, whether with a backpack or now with a motorcycle. So if you like these, go ahead and leave a comment. Hit the like button, subscribe. Come along for the ride. See a newbie learning this sport and maybe doing a few things wrong, right? Let's have fun. Enjoy the adventures, guys. We'll see you soon. Well, rain has not come back yet. It's just a little sprinkles during setup, but we're gonna hit the road. View never gets old, does it?
All right, we are back pulling into the property in the tiny house. It has been one hell of a trip. You got our van, Eddie Vander. Tiny house over here, Blueberry Cottage. Hey, miss. How are you doing? Yeah, we name a lot of stuff on this channel. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's take another adventure together. Have a good night, guys.